Yes, my people. Now me again, Aproko. If you just join us for the first time, hey, you are welcome to the Aproko Show. Now here things they happen for one-on-one TV. Hey, I know so not be your business, but very soon I will leave Africa. Because some kind things they vex me for my spirit. Now only for Africa, we they see say policeman go no they work. This one, it shocked me. It shocked me. It entered me well. We hear say for Lashibi, say armed robbers go thief bank. Safe. Where they come catch two, where they suspect those two they inside car. They wait for the ones where go do the main operation, make them come back as they see police, and so they run. But they catch two of them. Oh, that's so fire start they open everywhere. This one shoot, this one shoot. Police people, police. When they want start they shoot, now in their gun no work again. They sue for Africa because I know they understand. Try this thing for abroad. White people, they know you not even fit. Here, even the matter said, if they come thief for your house, try them. Call police. You go see the time when they go reach there. Even if they reach there, when they see say the armed robbers still there, they go park from far. Now from far they go park. Oh, they go come. They do like say they patrol everywhere. Nah lie. They go wait when the armed robbers don't go. Now there they go come inside. Where are they? You're. In fact, if you now know any police person, then are they Africa? No, this one. If I tell you say you know they do me, are they lie? This one, this thing where they tell you like this, it happened today. Maybe say 1 year story. As at now, as we did like this, I think say by now, things go don't change since technology don't improve. But hey, it be like say as technology they go front, we they go backwards. Now so the thing just be. I don't tire. I don't tire. In fact, I will go back. They go abroad because hey, now so all of us will just die finish. We don't even feel rely on police. Anyway, my people, now here I go live on with this hot one. Make una no go away and make sure say una subscribe, comment and share this video. As I tell una, my husband, my future husband, free day una list. Share this thing, make they see me. Make person propose to me. No look all this ring na fashion. I will see you later. Right.